Hey everybody, it's JT here with another keyword tool review video. Today we're reviewing the Mangools suite of SEO tools. And basically in these videos, we're just going through each of these platforms, performing the same task, which is a specific keyword, and then also the top ranking URL for that keyword. And we're just going through and looking at what data that the sites, these different tools have on those sites in keywords. And then we're also looking at the pricing. And basically, it's just an easy way for you to see how each platform works, how much you trust the data, how much the UI works for you. If any of their special features are something you actually would want in a keyword tool, Mangools, juicy SEO tools you will love. Okay, well, I'll let you be the judge of whether you love these SEO tools. We're going to look at the Keyword Finder mostly today. It's like $69 a month is their base price. The basic is probably good for small or local businesses, but they do have some pretty strict limits here. You can see SERP lookups 100. You can only look up 100 per day. So if you have like one day where you're really blitzing and doing a lot of work, you'll probably hit that limit. Same with keyword lookups, which actually 100 is not a lot for a keyword lookup. And then for premium, you've got 500 keyword lookups. And then if you're an agency, you got 1,200. And I'm guessing you have to go even higher if you want to look up more than 1,200 in 24 hours. So yeah, $69 a month is what I'm going to say is probably the price you'll pay, but you can also get away with $49 a month. Let's go into the keyword we're looking at, and that is HyperX Quadcast. So they let you sort by location and they let you sort by language, which is interesting. And okay, here's what we get. Pretty self-explanatory UI, I believe here. So keyword difficulty, it says 41. You can compare that to the other tools and what they say the keyword difficulty is. This is one of the stats that we've had a pretty big variance between keyword tools, and they say 43,000 a month, or no, is that total? No, that's a month in search volume for HyperX Quadcast. It says that the related keywords would be the Quadcast, Halo, LED, and then like random scattering of letters and numbers. Halo 301p, Eagle Rise, Quadcast. Okay. Those are their related keywords that they have. Autocomplete keywords. So autocomplete keywords are interesting because they're just kind of going through and typing HyperX Quadcast A and seeing what pops up. HyperX Quadcast B. And then it'll tell you your competitors here. This says HyperX, Amazon, Best Buy, YouTube, Newegg, and Tom's Hardware. The main competitors are going to be Best Buy, TechRadar, PC Gamer, etc. Locations they serve in, and then here's the keywords that they rank for. HyperX, their brand term, HyperX Cloud 2, HyperX Cloud Singer, HyperX Headset, Post Malone. Okay, maybe Post Malone does some streaming or YouTubing and uses the HyperX Quadcast. But yeah, it shows that, I guess this might be their YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and bet that's their YouTube channel. Let's check it out. Look at that, Post Malone right there. That is hilarious. Okay, I guess HyperX does have something with Post Malone. None of the other keyword tools so far have pointed out that Post Malone is doing something with HyperX. So that's hilarious. Big points. I know I'm not trying to do my opinion on all these, but big points to Keyword Finder for finding a connection between a celebrity and this particular hardware company that does microphones and headsets and all those things. That's all the features it looks like they have in this Keyword Finder thing. If you want to try out the 10-day free trial for Keyword Finder and all of Mangools keyword suites or keyword tool suite, use the link in the description. There is an affiliate commission that I'll probably get from it, but that just helps the channel. It doesn't increase your costs or anything. So make sure you use that link just to help out the channel, and then subscribe if you want more marketing content and also more tool reviews and software reviews. So definitely subscribe if that's what you're into, and thank you for watching.